Did she touch your face again?
Yeah. I cut her toenails. I had you. Last weekend.
She has toenails?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. She doesn't put them out, though?
She touched my face and she used her paws.
Is she being nice and gentle?
No, she's being mean.
She's playful, honey. She's not being mean. She's playing.
Oh.
Use your fingers. Play with her feet. Did she go?
No. Yeah.
She did. I thought I heard her do that.
She did not.
I did. I heard her.
See? She just touched me. Yeah, she likes you.
You touch her paws. She's playing.
She says, "Oh, she got you." Ow! She got you. She got my hair.
She got your hair.
She got my hair again. You're playing? Yeah. Oop. To fall down. Where's the dog? Sushi.
No, that's not sushi.
Percy, come over here. That's Percy.
Come back up here.
Come back up here.